this video, I will show you how to fix camera effects not showing on WhatsApp. So if you don't have camera effects showing on your WhatsApp, I'm going to show you what you can do. So first let's go over to WhatsApp, and from here click on Settings at the bottom right, and then from here scroll down, then click on Privacy, and then scroll down again, and there you will find this option Allow Camera Effects. But if you do not see this, then I will show you what the problem may be. So first of all, you need to be sure that WhatsApp has access to your camera. So for that, we need to go over to our settings. So go ahead and click on Settings and then scroll all the way down. There you see Applications, click on that. And if you are on Android, just type in WhatsApp and go to the settings of your WhatsApp and your settings. So I'm just going to click on WhatsApp, and as you can see right now, camera access is allowed. So WhatsApp has access to my camera, and this is a really important thing. So make sure that this is allowed and then try again if the function is working for you. If this still doesn't work, then the following thing you can do is this. You can stay in your settings and then you can go to the storage. So go to General, then go to iPhone storage or Android storage just from your device, and then search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp in here and then click on Offload App. What this will basically do is it will refresh the app. It will keep all the data, but this will basically reinstall the application, and then this will probably work with the camera effects to show up right now. So go ahead and try that and see if it works right now. And if it still doesn't work, you can also see if you have your WhatsApp updated to the latest version. And if you have that and it still doesn't work, then the last thing that you can do is to delete WhatsApp and download it again. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.